Damn bit. Got him. Whoops. Didn't know the Ana was down there as well. Hide, please. No! No! Dead. No, dude. I got double your damage. Who's
What
trolling?
did you say? Mercy resting you at the bottom and Ryan staying behind. That was trolling. I mean, if that wasn't obvious.
Still getting shot at, Squiddy.
Really humor is really raped by Zoomers. Humor was like dug up from the grave, and like Zoomers just started raping the corpse and then reburying it. I made a funny voice. This is humor. Actually, it's kind of funny. Like, my niece is 2 years old, and Zoomers and my niece actually have literally the same type of humor. You jangle some keys in front of them, they're like, oh my god, that's so funny. That's wild. I mean, it's obviously incredibly sad.
Dude, the voices aren't real, it's okay.
Spot and, like, throw a nuke on them, but it is interesting, though, that an 18-year-old can have this year-old. It is interesting. At least we can say that much, right?
They aren't real, my friend. They aren't real.
We broke him because I'm making fun of you. Man, that's good logic. Holy shit, you're smart.
Oh, you were talking to... Oh, okay. Now I get it. Okay. I thought you were just genuinely having an episode.
Your comebacks are really witty. Damn.
I'm just confused, dude. Are you alright?
Are you alright? Let me say some NPC shit. I accidentally insulted myself because I'm really stupid.
Dude.
Like, my fake laughter is so convincing. like I just said, like, I said the thing.
Should we call someone?
Saying, like, are you okay, bro? Like, the next thing is gonna be, are you mad, bro? So what happened here? So let me explain it. I know you haven't understood a joke before. So what I did was I took an aspect of what you're doing and made fun of it. So like that can be like parody or critique or just general commentary.
Well, yeah, but you should just make a YouTube video out of that and get the ad revenue.
Exactly what you did, right? Are you okay? Right, that's humor in your world, right? Then then I made an analogy to my 2-year-old niece because she's 2 years old, so she's retarded, and she finds the same thing funny.
Just make a YouTube video. It's cool.
But that was like the joke, right? I mean, it's not really a joke because it's true, but it's a funny observation, which is a subset of comedy, right? So, so by having fun at your expense, I am perfectly okay. Yes, that would be correct. Oh, by the way, here's a little thing. If you are confused about what was said when I say something really simple,
I'm not confused about what was said. I'm just confused how you are a real person.
I'm assuming that you're retarded.
Holy
You're proving
shit.
that you're retarded. So, just like a heads up for the future when you're trying to be totally funny. Oh, by the way, if you type ha ha ha, it's even funnier. Yeah. By the way, usually when people are having a good time, they really need to convince everyone else.
Dude, I'm having a great time. You're making this entertaining as fuck.
Right, so let's say you're at a comedy club, right? The audience are all laughing, but it's not really clear they're having a good time. So they have to like write a note for the stage or tell the stage like, "Hey, this is funny." That's how humor works, by the way. So if you just keep typing "ha ha ha," this is so funny, you're all are missing out, then they'll really know that you're definitely having fun. That'll mean you're definitely having fun, because that's how life works. It's fascinating.
Oh! Now I get it. Yes, broadcast.
Yeah, but it's fascinating. Actually, I would love, if only I could, study retards like you guys. It would be really fascinating, because Overwatch has like an insane, disproportionate amount of retards. Oh, if you're interested, just like, can you whisper me your like Discord tags, and I can like do a little interview with you guys.
I get to be in a Discord with you. Let's go!
It will be redacted in the actual paper, but it would be interesting. So you can just add me as a friend if you're interested, please. Because it's almost impossible to have like study. Well, sorry to say that, retards. But like there's like an overabundance in Overwatch. So.
Oh, maybe dude, if he shares his fucking Twitch.
The problem is that every guy who's really cool and super fun and has a great time talking to me, they always leave instantly after and they don't want to talk at all. Which is very strange because they're having such a good time, right?
You're posting cringe on main, my guy.
Actions are telling me that they're lying. But I mean, I'm sure you guys are gonna be different. You guys are gonna add me and we're gonna talk after, right? Yeah, it's weird you haven't added me yet. Okay, I'll add you. I'll make it easier for you. Maybe you can't find the button. I'll do it for you. There. That's it. There we go. I'll make it easier for you. There we go. There we go. I just gotta press 2 buttons. 3 buttons.
Yes, dude, please do it.
Wait.
Listen, this is gold.
Oh, also,
this is the gold
what happens a lot with people when they're having a good time at a comedy show, they never come back. Right? So
you know what I just realized?
When they have a chance to have the comedy show again, they just leave and never come back, and they insta-rage quit the comedy show.
Not only is this a great comedy show, but you're also broadcasting yourself doing nothing in ranked.
I should make fun of retards, actually. I mean, you're adults, and you have the IQ of a toddler, so that's a little mean. Actually, that was mean to a toddler. A toddler is smart. Is a toddler actually smarter? See, this is what I want to figure out. It would actually be so interesting. Because I actually think a toddler might be smarter. It would actually be so fascinating. But the problem is that everyone who's low IQ and who's totally having such a good time online are always scared to talk to me after the game. It's so unfortunate. If only. Faggots will be faggots. What can we do?
Oh man, that's not very nice.
That's faggotry. It's a thing.
We're homophobic lovers, so what? What are you trying to imply here?
It's so boring, though.
I mean, we can...
If only you weren't so fake and you actually believed the things you said, that would be way more funny. But they always run away instantly.
I do think you should take your meds for a change. That would help you. There we go. That's the better healer angle. Oh, no, he's quiet. Oh.
Correlation between homosexuality and retardation?
Huh?
Actually, probably. You're probably right. I don't know. It's probably highly likely because obviously a homosexual male.
Well, actually, it's highly likely.
Which means they have very little testosterone, which means their body overall functions very poorly, right? So they're very, very sick. So low IQ would probably be a very common thing. Although not exclusive, of course, right? Because there's Alan Turing, who was a literal sexual. But maybe he had more of a suicidal component. Maybe it's possible.
What is he trying to say?
Yeah, you just usually find that faggots are really low IQ. Yeah, they are.
Dude.
I think it's more like the flamboyant ones, so more low IQ in general. I think you're like making a little bit of a mistake there because it's probably more that the people who you can easily tell are gay are the ones who have low IQ. So I think you're making a mistake there. But
listen, man.
Obviously, that research would be.
You just need to get some help. I think it's cool. Good luck.
No, they didn't add me. No. No, they won't. I mean, it's the same thing. I mean, you guys have been on the internet forever. Okay. I'm having such a great time. I love this, and then oh, you love it? Let's talk some more. And then they obviously don't, because they obviously don't love it. They're obviously extremely angry. So yeah.
What? Okay, so... yeah. Listen, if you have this thing recorded, we need to save that and put it up on a wall. Just that whole match.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, Brian?
Yes.